Fiber-rich psyllium seed husk. Fiber-rich is a 100% psyllium seed husk that comes from the crushed seeds of the Plantago ovata plant. Psyllium is a natural fiber grain not related to wheat. It is a natural bulking agent that yields 60 to 70% soluble fiber, 8 times that of oat bran. Fiber-rich promotes a healthy digestive system, helps eliminate constipation, and regulates bowel movement. It can be used regularly, as opposed to harsh stimulant laxatives, which should only be used occasionally. It helps lower cholesterol levels, binds with cholesterol secreted in bile acids, and excretes it before it is absorbed in the bloodstream. It helps you stay fit, adds volume to your meals without adding calories, and helps stave off hunger to keep you feel full longer. It aids in blood sugar management, slows down digestion to allow the gradual release of glucose. The slower the digestion of carbohydrates, the slower the increase of blood sugar level because less insulin is needed. And it helps prevent diseases. It acts like a gentle internal broom, cleaning the walls of the digestive tract. It helps remove toxins from the digestive system and colon. It keeps an optimal pH in intestines to prevent microbes from producing cancer substances. Fiber-rich psyllium seed husk.